Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As per the request of many of my viewers, I am here with another case note explanation. If you are watching my channel first time, please like, subscribe and share it. So this is the case of Diane Charles. So what is your position? You are a maternal and child health nurse working at the Romaville Community Child Health Service, and the exam date is 15 January 2012. The patient history is a baby boy. The name is Dylan Charles and date of birth is given. He was born on Romaville Maternity Hospital and first baby of Raymond and Sylvia Charles. Address is given. Discharge date 8/12/2011. The family history is mother's age is 24 and this is her first child. Father is 25 and he is a soldier currently away from home on duty. The birth history is normal vaginal birth at term. Birth weight is 3.4 gram. Apgar score 5 minutes 9. No antenatal or postnatal complications. Then on 15/1/2012, the subjective data is given. Sylvia and baby attended for routine 6 weeks checkup. Sylvia says she is concerned about constipation once every 3 days, hard stool. Mother is asking about stool softener or prune juice for baby. Breastfed for first 3 weeks after birth. Baby became unsettled during summer heat wave in December. Sylvia got sick and had a fever for a few days. Mother-in-law Mary Charles came to visit and advised changing baby to formula feeds. Mary advised extra powder in formula feeds to improve weight gain. Sylvia worried she does not have enough breast milk and now gives extra formula feeds as well as breastfeeding. Diana difficult to bottle feed. Sylvia wishes to breastfeed properly as she believes it would be the best thing for her son. Mary Charles plans to stay with the family for at least a further month to help with baby. Tensions developing between mother and mother-in-law over what is best feeding method for Diane. So what are the objective? Reflexes are normal, slightly lethargic, no abdominal tenderness, heart rate is 174 and the respirations are 56, temperature is normal, weight is 4200 grams and 3 wet nappies in the last 24 hours and urine looks dark. So then the assessment is mild constipation and dehydration. So what are the plan? Increase breastfeeds, refer to breastfeeding support service, check formula is correctly prepared. If continuing formula feeds, advise to supplement with water that should be boiled and cooled. Advice on keeping baby cool in hot weather. Return for review in 48 hours. So what is the writing task? Please write a referral letter to the lactation consultant at the Breastfeeding Support Center, 68 Main Street, Romaville. In your letter, expand the relevant case notes into complete sentences and do not use note form. The body of your letter should be approximately 180 to 200 words. So before you write the case notes, the 5 minutes you can take to read and uh, to see what all relevant information should I include in this letter. That time we cannot use any pencil or pen in our hand. We can just plan in our mind only, and later on in that from that 40 minutes you take 5 minutes and make a plan what all information we planned during that previous 5 minutes, and just make a note, and after that you can start the writing letter. So first you have to see what is your position, then immediately go to the writing task and see who is your reader. Here in this letter it is the lactation consultant. So according to the reader only, we should you can imagine yourself in his position and see what all information I should know from this letter in order to provide the care for that baby. So according to that only, we should include all relevant information in this letter. So I will give an example here, but please always remember to practice those letters by yourself. Although you watch several videos with examples, you may not be able to write it in your exam. So always try to practice, and then only you can get all ideas and you will be well versed in writing case notes. So let me give one example here. So the reader is the lactation consultant. The address is Breastfeeding Support Center, 68 Main Street, Romaville. So the date is given 15th January 2012. The name of the reader is not given, so we can use the salutation dear sir or madam. Just put one slash. Then reference is Diane Charles. The date of birth is given 04 December 2011. So how we can write the introduction? There are several ways. Only one of those I am giving here. I am writing to refer Diane Charles, who has mild constipation and dehydration secondary to improper breastfeeding. His mother, Mrs. Sylvia, requires guidance and assistance for proper breastfeeding techniques. This is our request. The intention for writing this letter to the lactation consultant. Then just give some brief history. The second paragraph, Diane was born through normal vaginal delivery with the birth weight of 3.4 kg. He was on exclusive breastfeeding for the first 3 weeks. The next paragraph we can write, today Diane was brought to the clinic for a routine checkup. On assessment, he was observed to be lethargic. His urine is dark and only 3 wet nappies were changed in the last 24 hours. Then Mrs. Sylvia does not have enough breast milk due to health issues. Therefore, an extra formula feed has been initiated for him. However, the baby was found to have difficulty with bottle feed. His current weight is 4.2 kg. His mother is concerned about best feeding methods. In view of the above, it would be appreciated if you could instruct Mrs. Sylvia how to increase breastfeeds. Please educate her about the preparation of formula feed if she wants to continue. Kindly keep the baby cool, always in hot weather. Kindly note that he has a review here in 2 days. Then the closing sentence we can write. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any queries regarding Diane and his mother. Then you can write yours faithfully because no name is given. Maternal and Child Health Nurse, Community Child Health Service. I think it's clear for you. And if you have any queries, just comment below. Thank you. Bye.